I've been getting so many questions on how I shoot my videos, how I edit my videos, what camera do I use, what do I use to edit my thumbnails, do you use a phone, do you use your computer, do you use your PC? And you guys, I've been hearing you, I've been watching all your questions, and it's not like I don't want to share, it's just that I wanted to do one video that will be once and for all. You won't need to watch any other video. This is the final video. After you're done watching this video, you're gonna start your own YouTube channel and grow very much on YouTube. So I figured everything that you guys need to know about starting a YouTube channel, about filming videos and editing, recording yourself, and doing everything for yourself like I do. I wanna hear you sing it. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home. Hello beautiful people, hoping you guys are doing fine. I hope you had a good time over the holidays. We are back like we never left. Yeah guys, and in today's video I want to tell you everything you need to know about starting a YouTube channel in this new year. I want everyone who has been wanting to start a channel do, and also because it has money. I'm gonna be telling you all the tips, how to film, how to edit, and all the things you need. I'm gonna put timestamps because I know some people may know already how to start a YouTube channel. They may know how to film, so I'll put a timestamp for the minute I'll start talking about how to film, then how to edit, and what you need. Yeah. So let's start with how to film, like everything about filming. So to film a YouTube channel video, you need to have a camera, which is definitely obvious. I know many people have been asking me which kind of camera I use. So when you go to the internet, you'll find many people recommending different types of cameras, especially the Canon cameras. And if you look at the prices of those cameras, they are quite expensive. Some go for, okay, most of them go for around between 30,000 Kenya shillings, that is $300, and maybe $1,000, which may be difficult, especially when you're starting, when you don't have any money to buy, and so you don't have to strain yourself. Don't kill yourself trying to buy cameras online. You can start with your phone. For me, I use my phone to record my YouTube videos. I've always told you guys, you don't have to kill yourself. I've been on YouTube for 2 years now, and I've been recording all my videos with my phone. And this is the phone I use. This is a Samsung phone. Before this, I was using my Oppo. So you can use any phone as long as it has a clear camera. I'm gonna give you my 2 tips for recording with a phone. So the first thing is to make sure your phone is in a stable place. So you put your phone where it's not going to fall while you're recording. And then tip number 2 is to ensure your phone is not shaking. So you place it in a stable place and avoid shaking, because once your phone starts shaking while you're recording a video, then the quality of that video is going to be down. If you have those 2, you're good to go. You can start with whichever phone you have, as long as it has a camera. Right now, almost all smartphones have good cameras, so I believe you can use any kind of phone. Let's go to the second thing that I recommend you need to have. So you need to have a tripod. And when you look at online shops, mostly I buy my stuff online, but you're not limited. You can buy, even if you're near a good shop, a good electronic shop, you cannot fail to get a tripod. And when you look at online shops, tripods go for less than $10. Most tripods, you don't need a very big tripod because you're not doing a studio, you're not a cameraman, you're just filming videos. So for a YouTube channel, any tripod is good as long as it can hold your camera. That is, if you're using a camera, or if you're using a phone, as long as it can hold a phone, of which I believe most tripods are meant for those 2 things, camera and phone. Yeah, so I always recommend a tripod because it will save you time. I remember when I was shooting my first videos, I didn't have any tripod, so I would start supporting my phone with so many things and all that. I wasn't aware that tripods go for very, very affordable prices. So if you can get yourself a tripod, then you'll thank me later because it's very important. And then I would advise you to buy a tripod that is fixed with a ring light. I'm gonna show you you how mine looks. So for me, I bought this tripod and a ring light at a price that was less than $10. I bought it at Kilimall. I believe you can get this at any online shop. The good thing with buying a ring light and a tripod at the same time is because you're saving yourself from buying lighting. And this takes me to my third point, which is lighting, because you will need good lighting for your videos. You cannot do dark videos, and many people will not want to watch dark videos or videos that are not clear. So you need a tripod, you need a ring light. And if you don't have a ring light, you don't have to kill yourself. So what you're going to do is to make sure you shoot your videos during the day when there is enough sunlight, and make sure the window is facing you. So if this is the window, shoot your video facing it so that the light can reflect on you. I believe it's going to help you a lot, because that's what I used to do when I was starting, and it was useful, you know. Yeah, so you don't have to stress yourself in case you don't have lighting. You can just start from where you are. The fourth most important thing you need to film is sound. You need to take care of your sound. It depends with the kind of videos you're doing, because if it's a podcast, then you might even need microphone. But then if you can shoot a video in a quiet room where there are not so many distractions in the background, then you will be good to go. But if you want to record your videos maybe in the streets, I see people interviewing people, doing random things in the streets, then you might need a microphone. But if you're doing videos like mine indoors or blah blah blah, you don't have to. And then also, if you have to do videos outdoors and then the sound is not good, just use the voiceover. So you just go and record, and then once you go into the house, you just record a voiceover and you'll be good. Okay, so I believe that's all for filming. Those are the things that I feel are very, very crucial when it comes to filming. And now let me talk about editing your videos. So now you have your video with you, you've done everything you need to record a video. You cannot just post the whole thing. Like this video, I'm going to record it. Maybe I'll shoot a 30 minutes long video and then I'll condense it to maybe 15 minutes. I don't know. It depends. So yeah, you have to record so that you can cut the bad parts, cut the parts which have been maybe distracted by noise, or add music. You can add hashtags. It depends. Okay, yeah. So for editing, I edit two things. I edit my video, and once I post the video, I edit a thumbnail for that video. In case you don't know what thumbnails are, these are pictures that appear on videos. So you cannot just post a video and then you leave it like that. You need to put a thumbnail on your video. I'm going to put them here. You can see YouTubers put thumbnails in all their photos, in all their videos. Those are the captions you write on your video to make sure that people are captivated to watch your channel. So I'm gonna tell you all the apps that I use for this. So let's start with editing a video. So to edit my videos, I love using the InShot app. InShot app has been my go-to app all the time because it's easy to use. I started using it from when I was beginning, and I found it so easy to use. And since then, I find it easy and a little bit quick, but then it hangs when your phone is full, or I don't understand why sometimes it keeps hanging. But then when your phone space is good, then InShot is the best, especially if you're beginning. InShot will guide you on everything. So in case you want a full video on how I edit my videos using InShot, I'm gonna do it. You guys just comment down below and tell me. I can do a tutorial on how to edit your videos perfectly. So another app I use is FILMORAGO app. FILMORAGO is such an easy app to use. I recommend it, especially if you're beginning, but then it's not as easy as InShot. I don't know, maybe someone might find it easier. So that's why I'm giving you those two apps. You guys just go and try the two and tell me which one you find easy. Comment down below if you want me to do a video on how I edit using those two apps. Yeah, so now let's go on to editing thumbnails. For my thumbnails, I always use Canva. Every time. The reason why I've been using Canva for the longest time is because it's easy to use, first of all, and then it saves me time because it gives me recommended suggested thumbnails. So I don't take my time to edit. I just go and pick one and just place my picture, I replace it with the model in it, or maybe the person in it. I'm gonna show you guys here. Yeah, so that's why I find it easy to use. For me, it is the most time-saving thing I've found, and I just try to use the templates that are free, because in Canva you're going to find some templates are paid for. Yeah, so you just make use of the ones that are free, because for now I don't have money to buy this kind of things, especially for just YouTube, and especially if you're using YouTube maybe for fun and for education. But if you're really relying it on money, then maybe you can pay so that you can get to earn more money. But for me, I've not really invested in these apps. Even editing apps, you'll find some editing apps with premium rates, which I've not yet tried, especially for those people who edit a lot of things, maybe, and also those people who are maybe video editors. They do that as their full-time job. But for me, I've not tried paying for those video editing apps. I just use the few effects or the few things that have been given for free. Yeah, so all these things I'm talking about are free to use. Okay, yeah, so the third thing I'm going to talk about is other things that you need. So you need to know how to put hashtags on your video. You need to know how to put tags, to put a good description. You need to put playlists after you do your video. At the end of the video, you need to put end screens. You also need to put cards. There are so many things you need to put on a single video. So I'm just talking about one video, so you can imagine every video you post needs all those things. So I discovered TubeBuddy for myself. So TubeBuddy has come through for me very much. This video is not sponsored. All the apps I'm giving are just the ones I love using. So TubeBuddy is such a great app if you want to be reminded what to put on your video. So what I usually do, I usually I upload a video, and then I go to TubeBuddy and check for the video to see if my video is having all the things that are required. For example, I'm going to show you one of my videos, the one I've recently uploaded. So I uploaded this video, things I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel. You can see it shows that I need to add so many things to this video, like a high resolution thumbnail, tags to the title, tags to the description. Title length is also not good. It doesn't have captions, end screen, playlist, etc. Yeah, so it reminds you of the simple things that you need to do after you've uploaded your video, because you keep on forgetting, especially if you have a lot of things to do. Yani, when YouTube is not your full-time job. So I'm not saying that you should not take it seriously. Yeah, if you take YouTube seriously, it could pay you so much money. You guys check out for the video I've done on how much YouTube paid me in the whole of 2023, and you're going to see that YouTubers money. No, not 2023, 2022. I also did how much YouTube paid me in 2021. So check those videos out, because you'll see YouTubers money. For me, I've not been posting very much in the previous year because of so many things. But this year I want to make YouTube my full-time job. So I am hoping this year I'm going to earn more. One thing you need to know is that the more you post, the more you make money. Yeah, so I believe this video was useful. In case I've left any information, you guys comment down below and tell me, because I wanted to do a video that will help you once and for all. Okay, but if you want, maybe I should do a video on how I edit my thumbnails, maybe how I do. Okay, any video you want to see, definitely I'm going to do, because there's so much you need to know about YouTube. Even the best time to upload, because you cannot just be uploading anytime you feel like uploading. Yeah, so just comment down below and tell me what you want to see. I'm gonna show you everything, guys. I have all the time for you. Yeah, that's it for today. Hoping you guys have liked this video, because guys, just like this video. Okay, it's getting late here. I can know you guys can see it's getting dark. You can see my background is a little bit darker now. Yeah, so I better keep going, and I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. Subscribe here. And like this video, share in case you have friends who wanted to start a YouTube channel or relatives. Share with them on how they can start their own channel. Hoping this video helped. I've given every information that I wanted, and of course information cannot be exhausted, so I will be back to give you more and more information. Okay guys, so until next time, hoping to see you guys in my next video. Bye 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 bye.